Okay, currently one of the world's smallest alleyways, and that is unofficially very official. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We're heading towards a Chinese football game, that's it, yeah?
Yeah.
With my two mates, who I actually knew, Lawrence and Kendra. I knew them back in Guangzhou when I was living there. How long ago? 3 years? 4 years ago. Bumped into them on the street in Beijing while I was recording, and now they're guiding me around. They're my leaders. They're wonderful people, and also they're taking me to a football game. So if you're interested in football, then that's what we're about to find out more about today. Actually tonight already. Love my little sounds. They're fillers. So here it's a little shop, yeah?
Yeah, but it's also like the whole family lives in the shop.
Oh, you can see them on the if you look back to the right, there's the lights are up, you can't see the bed, you can kind of see the beds over back there.
There are little beds over here, behind here. Little bunker beds. There's a little shop over here. Hello!
Hello!
Hello! Hello!
Hello!
老外的朋友啊。That's a wonderful little shop, isn't it?
你是网什么的？
是网红。
你是网什么的网红？
快点，这是我的车子呢。好了，走了，快！
So we're on a public bus in China, and this lady behind me, her job is to collect money and you put them here in this one. But then now she gets up, and if people are standing, what is it, in the way?
She leans out the window and
On the
shouts
road
at them.
outside.
She leans out this window and shouts at people,
Get out the way.
get out of the way. We're going to do the job?
People getting on, they're getting on. You were a victim of the.
She...
他要往走进去。
好嘞，都已经弄好了，开放了啊。
And that's her job. Yeah, so just got in now, and there's at least like 10 people here. Everything that is green supports Beijing Guan, and that's our team. Wonderful. Look at this greeniness. So if we can get tickets as well, we didn't actually buy tickets, see what we can do about it. Hello. Hello. By the way, miscellaneous facts, Chinese people love it when you say hello to them, because they get to say hello back. So we were hoping that it'd be a little bit cheaper, but being spontaneous and buying football tickets isn't that good, not that auspicious. So it was 360 quid, RMB then, was that? That's like 50 quid. 50 euros, yeah. For one spontaneous ticket, and I don't think we're ready for that yet. There we go, focus a little bit.
What's the plan?
So the plan is we'll just stay here until the game begins, and then we'll see what happens then. Hopefully we get some tickets. 3 we need, so that might be difficult.
These guys probably will get angry.
Yeah, we're not the best hustlers, and this is how intense you have to be to get your tickets. Now we'll go. Okay, 250.
240, went 240.
It's a good camera shot. Oh, okay. 240是吧？240。好的，几个？几个？啊，3个。他喂你可以吗？
在一起吗？
在一起都一个台，一个台。都19个。
I mean, flash them around. I can't believe there was 121. So
flashing is good for the camera. Hello. 一件这个多少钱？
这个50。
Clearly, we need one of these as well. Woo! 帅不帅？
点卡证有序排队检票入场。35年好，请您提前准备好。
Tickets, people, shirts, and that's the arena. Also, funny side note, when I used to live in Beijing, my favourite club used to be Vix on that side, Mix on that side. That's where we used to go and dance, and now we're going to dance and then football in the middle now. CSL. Did he go? Yeah, him. Hello. 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 Huh?
Have a good time.
Thank you. You too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
慢走。好，谢谢你。
过来，来看一下。Whoa!
Everything's really scary. I keep feeling like they're gonna be like.
Clearly, the military as well. Is that the mascot, you might ask yourself? That's the mascot. Or is the person pooping weirdly? This is about to be cool. Welcome to China! Welcome to Beijing Guan. Wonderful. We've got some funny chant going on from this to the other side. Enjoy. What was that?
There's a maximum of 3 foreigners per team. It's a more recent limit. A few years ago there wasn't a limit, but yeah, so there's usually a Korean or some Koreans, a couple of Europeans, some Brazilians, and the rest are all Chinese.
Can we go there? Who gave them the horn? So you've got above the one there, you've got Lisa, and above the other team 0 there, you've got Baisa, which basically means yellow, or sorry, green and white, because if you can't keep track of who you're supporting, then just look at the colours and read the board. There we go. Green is our team. Green is our team. That's the score, those are the team names. Here's the time right now, and that's the top time right now as well, but there's no actually indicator on how much time has been played. So you're just supposed to remember that we started 25 minutes ago. So a bit of miscellaneous facts about football here. We've got, this is Beijing playing. And Beijing, how many teams do we have?
I think there's two Beijing.
Yeah, okay, yeah. 2 teams in Beijing, 12 teams in China in total. And there's 2 teams in Guangzhou, where I used to live. And the one called Guangzhou Evergrande. By the way, Barcelona just bought, last year, they bought Paulinho, who's their best player. And Evergrande has won the Chinese Cup. What do you call it? The Chinese Premier League?
The Chinese Super League.
The Chinese Super League, mind you. They've won that 7 years in a row. They've actually even won the Champions League in Asia as well. They play that as well, actually. So they've beaten all the other teams in Asia as well. But that was like 2013. Otherwise, Guangzhou Evergrande is a pretty superior team to all of these ones. But Beijing recently.
Top 4 probably. I think they're 4th at the moment, but they're probably the top 4 best.
Boo, boo, we're saying. The scoreline now is actually, see if we can zoom in on it. So it's actually 4-3. Yes, very nice. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey! Oh, hello guys. So that was a bit of Chinese football. I hope you enjoyed it very much. It's a bit weird watching it. They shout at different times than you used to in Swedish and European football, and well, yeah, because they haven't been brought up with it in the same way, I guess. It's interesting, and it definitely calls for a good experience. If you happen to come to China, then make sure you watch a game as well. Just stop by a little stadium and buy a ticket and walk inside and shout 中国加油. Wonderful. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. I'll see you in the next one. Shout out from Zhongguo. Hello.
Guangzhou number 1.
Yes, want to be number 1. Yes. 中国 the China number 1.